Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Soraya Marie. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to use your computer and your laptop as a monitor. And if you want to keep watching, just tune in. Okay guys, so believe it or not, I found out that the HDMI cord was not the actual cord to connect your computer and your camera to use it as a monitor. So if you have a USB card lying around, you don't even need to buy anything else. Okay guys, so first we're going to start off by typing Digicamcontrol into Google, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the first link. It's going to bring you to the Digicam page, and you're going to have an option to download the software program. Once you hit that download button, it's going to bring you to 3 different software options. For D3400 Nikons, it's best to download the beta version and not the stable version. I found out that the stable version is not compatible with D3400. And another thing you're probably going to find out too when you're downloading the beta version is that because it's so new, your computer is going to kind of give you a pop-up where it's just telling you to be careful of the program. But so far I've had it for 2 weeks and I haven't had any problems with it. Okay, so once you connect your Nikon camera to your USB and your computer, it will then locate your Nikon D3400, and all you have to do is click on that live cam button, and then you'll be able to watch your video live while recording. What's great about this program is that you don't have to get up to fix or adjust those settings on your camera. You can do it from the program. So if you want to adjust the brightness or the ISO, you can do it right there and then from the program. That is all for this video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification button on. And comment any other software do you know of that Nikon is compatible with on a computer that is free. Because I only found this one, and I would love to have another software that I can use or that anyone can use that's free, because you know we all love free stuff. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye!
The truth will set you free, but first it'll piss you off. Hey, bad wanna be my babe.